This 5-minute solution will show you how to make your Facebook profile completely private. First of all, let's see the process in computer. On your computer, open Facebook and click on your account, settings and privacy, settings, select privacy, scroll down. Here you'll find this section, how people can find and contact you. Here you have to select only me for all of these options, and then go to your Facebook profile, and it's time to lock our Facebook profile. So click on this three dot, click on lock profile, lock your profile. Once you locked your profile, now your Facebook profile is completely private. Now let's see the process in mobile. So the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Go ahead and launch the Facebook app. Tap on menu. Scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down. Inside of audience and visibility section, you will find how people can find and contact you. So tap on it. And here, select only me for all of this option. After that, open your Facebook profile and tap on this three dot. Tap on lock profile. Lock your profile. And that's it. This is how we can make our Facebook profile completely private. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.